crank first time. Try to give it a go. The battery's dead, so. Considering this battery is supposed to be replaced in 2020, can't really blame the car. We'll put it on emergency start. Don't tell me when I did that. Move this guy. With any luck, it'll start now. It's the rustiest car you've ever seen. So battery is toast, but it expires in 2020, so we can't really blame the car for that. I'm trying to get it a little juicier just to show you that it does start first crank. I'm hoping. I saw it start once when I bought it. When it started first crank, I started it myself. But this battery's no good and doesn't hold a charge, so I may just have to swap in a battery real quick, and because this could be a real gold mine for $400 with an interior like that and engine that hopefully runs. So. No good, it's not taking a charge. So we're gonna have to get a new battery in there. Now that I've got a new battery in there, it's charged up, I think it'll start right away.